Here is a list of 5 employees. Each element is a tuple with name and department. I want to group the list by department like this. I want to use the groupby function from itertools and use it like this. As you can see, I group by the second tuple element, which is the department. I iterate the result. But strangely enough, I do not get 2 groups, but 4. Why does this happen? When I had a look at the documentation, I was a bit surprised. The operation generates a new group every time the value of the key function changes. So yeah, it groups the first 2 names, then it creates a second group for admin, but instead of adding Carl to the first group, a new group is created. And another one for Janet. Now, I'm pretty sure this is not what you want. The documentation also says how to solve the problem. We first have to sort the data. I sort the employees according to department. And use the sorted list here. And that should do the trick. Yep, that is better. Now, if you don't like to do the sorting and grouping in 2 steps, you can use a dictionary as an alternative. I delete this code and create an empty dictionary. I iterate the employees list and add names to existing departments. And if the department key does not yet exist, I create a new list for it. And that should work as well. It does. Now I love how Python can do all these list transformations out of the box without the help of any library. And if you want to see more out-of-the-box list magic, click on this video. There you learn how to map and filter lists with list comprehensions.